Hello, hi, good morning, very good morning to all of you guys. Welcome to Guide. This is Aditya. I hope I am audible and visible to all of you guys clearly. आवाज आ रही होगी मेरी, sound clear, picture quality, everything is fine. We will start the discussion of current affairs. 17 to 19th of May current affairs we are going to cover today in the session. आज के सेशन में डिस्कशन रहेगा हमारा 17 से 19th के करंट अफेयर्स के ऊपर. चलिए स्टार्ट करेंगे डिस्कशन को. पहले देखेंगे न्यूज हाइलाइट्स क्या हैं आज के. News number one, India's outward FDI increases to $6.8 billion in April 2025 as per the data given by Reserve Bank of India. Meaning ये है कि भारत में जाने वाला जो FDI मतलब इंडिया से पैसा ज्यादा इन्वेस्ट हो रहा है इंडिया के बाहर, वो FDI इंक्रीज हुआ है. $6.8 billion was the investment. SEBI set 1 crore minimum investment mandatory demat account for the securitized debt instrument. What is the meaning of securitized debt instrument and why this 1 crore rupee? Every detail I am going to discuss in depth within the session. मैं समझाऊंगा, थोड़ा समझाने वाला न्यूज है. I will explain within the session. Union Minister of Finance and Corporate Affairs Nirmala Sitharaman ji inaugurated the corporate Bhavan in Kolkata. So one more building of Finance Ministry on the name of the corporate Bhavan started recently. In which city? Answer will be Kolkata. HDFC Bank launches Biz Plus current account facility tailored for the growing Indian enterprises. On new type of current account facility have been launched by HDFC Bank to cater and target the new businessmen, especially targeting to the MSMEs or small businesses in India. International Monetary Fund to release $1.3 billion rupee to Bangladesh after announcement of $1 billion to Pakistan. $1.3 billion announced by IMF to Bangladesh. These are the loans which are offered by the IMF International Monetary Fund. Syndicate Bank appointed Mr. Arun Srivastava as the new managing director and CEO of the bank. Detail of the Syndicate Bank also we need to cover. Former and very famous retired Chief Justice of India D.Y. Chandrachud sir joined NLU National Law University Delhi as a professor. तो professor के form में join कर रहे हैं. He will be taking the classes at NLU Delhi and the series of D.Y. Chandrachud sir have been named separately. That the lecture series जो ये लेने जा रहे हैं उनको separately किया जाएगा. ठीक है, मतलब क्लासेस का नाम अलग से रखा गया है. Amit Shah inaugurated revamped multi-agency network built at 500 crore to fight terrorism. तो 500 करोड़ रुपए का बजट एलोकेशन by the Mr. Amit Shah and a multi-agency network will be created that will be a combined network of the state along with the agencies of India like CBI Investigation Bureau and RAW Research and Analysis Wing. उनको combined किया जाएगा state के साथ, state police के साथ in a joint network. Yala glacier declared dead. One of the very sad news, extremely sad news from the side of environment. So Yala glacier of Nepal recently declared dead. Now it is no more a glacier. वो glacier बचा ही नहीं. It has been melted. पूरी तरीके से पिघल चुका है, खत्म हो चुका है, and it is the third glacier in the world announced dead. मैं आपको नाम बताऊंगा, लिस्ट भी दूंगा. Samudrayaan, India's first manned deep ocean mission to be launched in the year 2026 and announcement made by the government of India. India Japan to start the design phase of Chandrayaan 5 lunar mission. So Chandrayaan 5 lunar mission India will be developing with the support of Japan. India and Japan both will be working it. This particular mission will be launched from Japan, not from India. Japan से इसको launch किया जाएगा with the satellite or with the rocket of Japan. Sri Hari from Tamil Nadu became 86th Grandmaster of India. We should also learn the name of the first Grandmaster. 85th, 84th, 85th and 86th. ये हमको इतने याद कर लेने चाहिए. President of India recently presented Jnanpith Award 2025. तो Jnanpith Award 58, 59th have been also announced. तो 58 दिया गया अभी और 59th अनाउंस किया गया है. इसके बारे में भी पढ़ेंगे. So these are the just highlight. I have just told you so many news we are going to cover today in the session. So be there till end of the session to cover each and every news in detail. होमवर्क के क्वेश्चन चेक करेंगे. मैं आप लोगों के डाउट्स पर भी आ रहा हूं उसके बाद. Don't worry, it is not a recorded session. I am live. बट मैं थोड़ी देर से आपके चैट रिस्पॉन्ड करना स्टार्ट करूंगा, एक बार फ्लो कंप्लीट हो जाए, होमवर्क क्वेश्चन हम कंप्लीट कर लें। नाबार्ड रीफाइनेंस लोन प्रोवाइडेड बाय विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इंस्टीट्यूशन। सो नाबार्ड रीफाइनेंस लोन प्रोवाइडेड किसको प्रोवाइड करता है? सो नाबार्ड प्रोवाइड द रीफाइनेंस loan. So NABARD provide the refinance facility to which of the following organization? किनको provide करता है NABARD? So NABARD provided to the cooperative bank, RRB and commercial bank. It is not a case like only to the RRB NABARD provide the lending facility, or only to the scheduled commercial bank it provide the lending facility. NABARD provide the lending facility to the cooperative bank, commercial bank along with the RRB. तीनों को provide करता है. Which committee recommended the establishment of NABARD? Correct answer is B. Shivaraman Committee. It is also known as Krafi Card Committee. इसी को कहा जाता है Krafi Card Committee. So Krafi Card Committee or B. Shivaraman Committee is same. So actually the committee name was Krafi Card and chairperson was Mr. B. Shivaraman. So committee is known as B. Shivaraman Committee, although the real name was Krafi Card Committee. On the recommendation of this committee, NABARD was formed. Which of the following banks are typically designed as a sponsor bank for RRB, regional rural banks? So correct answer is scheduled commercial bank. Only scheduled commercial bank, that is also PSB, public sector banks, will be the sponsor bank of RRB. So public sector bank or these sponsor bank hold 35% shareholding in RRB. There is one private bank which is actually owned by the state government of Jammu Kashmir, that is J&K Bank is the sponsor bank. Otherwise, if you believe J&K Bank, which is a sponsor bank of RRB, all other banks are public sector bank. सारे public sector bank ही हैं जो कि RRBs के क्या है? Sponsor bank है, those who are holding the 35% stake in the RRB. तो ये थे आपके homework के questions. Thank you Satish for the appreciation. Bhuvina, thank you. Mani, Kavya, Satyanarayan, very good. Sabha, Shruti, then Naresh, thank you guys, thank you for answer. Yes, definitely go through with the homework question, you will learn a lot. Supraja, Rakesh, Rahul, after that Amla Sheikh, then okay, Kamma, Aishwarya, Gokul Priya, Gamya Shri, Vijaya, Durga, Mama Excellence, Venkatesh, Charan, Bhuvna, thank you guys, Jaggi Durga Rao ji, after that Ajit and Pradeep, Gopika, Jayashri and Supriya, thank you guys, thank you for answers. चलिए homework के question कल के लिए ले लीजिए एक बार. What is the term called stagflation refers in the economics? Economics के according stagflation एक term है, इसका क्या meaning है? Second question है, which of the following is not a function of RBI? इनमें से क्या RBI का एक function नहीं है? Third question, the risk that borrower will default at any time, at any point of time is which of the following type of risk for a bank? बैंक के लिए इनमें से कौन सा risk है जिसमें बैंक को ये डर होता है that maybe borrower may make default, will not make the repayment of the loan? So which type of risk it is? तो ये होगा homework के question. Hustle 2.0 batch, currently the topic payment settlement is going on, and May month current affairs we will be starting from day after tomorrow onwards. तो 1st to 15th of May का हम start कर देंगे RBI circular, RBI news. So in this batch you will be able to attend the current affairs of 1 year. Batch validity is till March 2026. So all the upcoming examination, banking sector, insurance sector, GA, you will be able to target with the support of this one batch. एक batch के support से आप क्या कर सकते हो? सारे के सारे, ऐसे सारे के सारे exams को target कर सकते हो. So inform to your friends as well about the batch. Central Bank of India Credit Officer batch and IDBI JMO PGDF batch is already live for the interview preparation on the Guidely platform. You can join it. Classes will be started in IDBI batch from today itself. GOAT, which is our mentorship program available on the Guidely. You can check the details if you're looking for personalized mentorship. आते हैं सेशन में, पीडीएफ आपको यहां पर मिल जाएगा स्टार्टिंग विद द रेगुलेटरी न्यूज नंबर 1. चलिए, एक डाउट आया मेरे पास, पहले उसको थोड़ा सा डिस्कस कर लेते हैं. Doubt is sir, RRB PO clerk exam date changed, is it true? Currently discussion is going on it. अभी डिस्कशन चल रहा है. Lots of sources says that yes, the date is getting changed, but it is still sources. There is no official announcement from the side of IBPS. I am a person who truly believe once the IBPS will give any type of confirmation, then only we need to take it. Otherwise, we should consider on the same date exams will be conducted, and we should focus and prepare the examination based on the dates which are given by IBPS until IBPS will officially change it. I hope you are getting my point. मैं बहुत ज्यादा बिलीव करता हूं उस चीज के ऊपर कि ऑफिशियल अनाउंसमेंट हुआ है, अब हमारे पास डेट चेंज हुए हैं. ठीक है, पॉइंट क्लियर हुआ शेखर मेरा. चलिए स्टार्ट कर लेते हैं डिस्कशन को. Recently, Reserve Bank of India issues the data regarding the outward FDI. Point number one, what is the meaning of outward FDI or what is this FDI? FDI full form is foreign direct investment. Whenever foreigners are making investment in India, in the businesses like MACD, KFC, foreign companies running their business in India in the different sector. Now, this Starlink is coming for the internet facility, right? Starlink announced that they will start the internet facility in India. This is FDI, foreign direct investment. We call it inward FDI. Similar to that, when the Indian companies are making investment out of India, जब भारत की कंपनी इंडिया के बाहर इन्वेस्ट कर रही है, like Adani Group have their mining investment out of India, Vedanta have their mining investment out of India, Reliance have their lots of investment, TCS projects are running out of India. So all these investments are called outward FDI. So here we are talking about the outward FDI, where Indian companies have made invested or have invested the money out of India instead of India. $6.8 billion in April 2025. India's outward foreign direct investment commitment surged to $6.8 billion in April 2025, nearly double the amount recorded in April 24. Last year से almost double investment जा रहा है, reflecting the strong investor confidence in the global expansion by the Indian enterprises. कि इंडियन कंपनीज जो हैं इनका ग्लोबल एक्सपांशन में बढ़िया इंटरेस्ट है, सो दे आर मेकिंग द मोर इन्वेस्टमेंट आउट ऑफ इंडिया. It is not a good news for India actually. It shows that Indian companies are not making so much investment in India and they are preferring the foreign companies or foreign countries, foreign market for making more investment. Like nowadays Indian companies are making lots of investment in UAE. UAE में बहुत investment कर रहे हैं. Indonesia is one of the place, right? ऐसी जगह पर ज्यादा पर Singapore is one of the place. So here the investment is more. Sharp increase as per the data by the Reserve Bank of India when the Indian companies are aggressively pursuing the global opportunities, that is tapping the global opportunities, making the investment out of India. Now lots of data they have given, like what is equity investment, loan investment, guarantee investment. Nothing is going to be helpful for the examination. हमारे काम का नहीं है. We need to learn the full number, that $6.8 billion is the investment, outward investment of the Indian companies in the foreign nation in April 2025. ठीक है, पॉइंट क्लियर है. Yeah, one doubt we have, that is what is the difference between FPI and FDI. FPI is called foreign portfolio investment, FDI is foreign direct investment. Let's take a simple example. A foreign company is making investment in the Indian equity market, buying only the equity of India, buying of any Indian company, buying only the government bonds, or making investment in the government securities or corporate bonds in India. So their investment is limited to the stock market, not to the real world. That will be FPI, foreign portfolio investment. But the investment comes to the real world, where they are providing the services, doing the manufacturing, providing the products in the market. So that type of investment is called foreign direct investment. Real world investment is direct investment. Investment in the stock market is FPI. Got the difference? Yeah, learner, do write your name as well. What's your name? Next one. Reserve Bank of India imposed the penalty on Deutsche Bank AG. It's a German bank. It is not a Indian bank. So Deutsche Bank AG, on this bank, along with that on the Yes Bank, which is a private Indian bank, fine was imposed. So 50 lakh rupee fine was imposed by Reserve Bank of India on Deutsche Bank AG a non-compliance related to the creation of central repository of the large common exposure across the bank. So Reserve Bank of India issues the guideline that all the foreign banks running in India, they need to keep their data in India. कि आपने किसको कितना पैसा लोन पर प्रोवाइड किया, how much money you have given on the loan to which organization, all that data you need to keep in India strictly. You cannot take this data out of India. Also create a centralized repository of the data, means centralized database you need to create which can be accessed by the Reserve Bank of India as well. So RBI can also check that okay, this is a foreign bank working in India, provided loan to this organization, this much amount of money collected by bond, this much amount of money collected by the deposit. Such type of transparent data will be shared with the Reserve Bank of India by all these organizations. So this Deutsche Bank AG was unable to follow it or didn't want to follow it. That is why 50 lakh rupee fine was imposed by Reserve Bank of India on Deutsche Bank AG. We should remember it is a German based bank or Germany based bank. Apart from that, around 30 lakh rupee fine was imposed by Reserve Bank of India on Yes Bank. Yes Bank, which is a private bank of India, Indian private bank है Yes Bank, related to the financial statement presentation and disclosure. So every quarter and every financial year, all the banks are required to present their financial status, disclosure, presentation, that okay, how much profit we have generated, what was the loss we have created. Maybe they have done certain mistake or they have not presented it on time. That is why RBI imposed the fine of 29.6 lakh rupee on the Yes Bank. तो Yes Bank के ऊपर फाइन इम्पोज क्यों किया? क्योंकि फाइनेंशियल डिस्क्लोजर जो होते हैं, फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट है, ईयरली फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट, रिसेंटली फाइनेंशियल ईयर 2024-25 was over. So that financial year report has to be presented by all the banks. So Yes Bank either have done delay or not presented the data properly. So because of that, 30 lakh rupee fine approximately imposed by the Reserve Bank of India. Point clear होते हुए चल रहे हैं भाई सारे लोगों के, ठीक है? I'll keep the news in quick. जो important point है मैं वो बताते हुए चलूंगा. Remaining we need to be in speed. Reason, there are lots of news, not only banking and finance, we have lots of other news to cover. Next one, SEBI set the target of 1 crore rupee investment mandatory demat securitization debt instrument. पहले समझते हैं what is the meaning of securitized debt instrument. What is the meaning of it? What is called securitized debt instrument? Let's take an example. There is a bank called State Bank of India. There is a bank called State Bank of India. State Bank of India have given 1000 loans. For example, 1000 loans. Some loan have been given for 50 lakh rupee. Some loan have been 10 lakh rupee, and all these one, not crore, 1000 is number. So 1000 loan, all these are home loan. ये सारे के सारे क्या है? Home loan है. So 1000 home loan given by State Bank of India. Somewhere home loan amount is 50 lakh, somewhere it is 10 lakh, somewhere it is 1 CR, somewhere it is again 50 lakh rupee, like this. Different loan. The overall amount which is given by the State Bank of India only for these 1000 loan, is around, let's take an example, around 80 crore rupee, or more than that, around 400 crore rupee. So 400 crore rupee is the loan amount that is given by State Bank of India with the support of these 1000 crore. Now you know that loans are the assets of bank. आपको पता होगा loans bank के क्या हैं? Assets हैं. Why? Because from these loans banks are going to generate EMI, and EMI is the combination of principal plus interest. It means bank is going to generate profit from these loan in future. Now bank want to utilize these loan today itself for raising more money from the market. What bank will do? Bank will take this 400 crore rupee as a 400 crore rupee bonds. Banks can create. In 400 crore rupees के bonds bank create कर लेंगे, where this home loan and the assets of home loan will act as a collateral. So what is our collateral here? What is the security of these bond? So the security of these bond is home loan. In bond का security हो गया home loan. Such type of instrument in the market is called securitized debt instrument. ऐसे instruments को कहा जाता है securitized debt instrument. First of all, tell me, is this point clear? What is the meaning of securitized debt instrument? Is this point clear? Yes or no? अगर ये क्लियर है तो बाकी का न्यूज बहुत आसानी से समझ में आ जाएगा, कोई बड़ा पॉइंट नहीं है, इजी पॉइंट है, रिमेनिंग एवरीथिंग. So securitized debt instrument which are issued by bank, NBFCs in the market, even the unregulated entities which are involved in the securitization activity, converting the loan into the bonds and raising the money from the market, converting the loan into bonds and raising the money from the market. Now, SEBI set a limit that minimum 1 crore rupee should be the asset size. Less than 1 crore rupee bond cannot be issued. Less than 1 crore rupee collateral should not be there. So 1 crore rupee will be the minimum size. कम से कम 1 crore रुपए का amount होगा for the securitization activity. Like here in this example, we have taken the amount of 400 crore. As the example, we have taken 400 crore. So this should not be less than 1 crore rupee. 1 crore से कम नहीं होना चाहिए, ये सेबी ने कहा है. So the process known securitization allow originators such as bank, NBFC to convert their liquid assets into the liquid ones, providing the alternative source of funding by converting the loans in the form of bonds. Loans को किसके फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट कर दो? बॉन्ड्स के फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट कर दो. मिनिमम अमाउंट शुड नॉट बी मोर देन 1 करोड़ रुपी. 1 करोड़ से कम का अमाउंट नहीं होना चाहिए, सेबी ने बोला है. देन आफ्टर दैट, when this securitized instrument will be offered to the public, it should be offered for minimum 3 days to the maximum 10 days. So what will be the duration? For how many days bank will be able to sell these bonds into the market? Banks will be able to offer these bonds into the market from 3 days to 10 days. 3 दिन से 10 दिन का टाइम होगा बैंक के पास टू सेल दीज बॉन्ड्स. 3 दिन से 10 दिन का टाइम होगा बैंक के पास टू सेल दीज बॉन्ड. मैं एक बार फिर से समझा देता हूं, ध्यान से सुनना, शॉर्ट में सुन लो. दैट अ बैंक हैव गिवन लोन इनटू द मार्केट. ठीक है, लोन गिवन फॉर 20 ईयर ऑफ ड्यूरेशन, 30 ईयर ऑफ ड्यूरेशन. लॉन्ग टर्म होते हैं मोस्टली, होम लोन स्पेशली. That bank is going to collect the EMI for 20 years, bank is going to collect the EMI for 30 years. Now bank have already given the loan. These are the assets of bank. Bank can use these assets collateral to raise more money from the market in the form of bond. Bond के form में money raise कर सकते हैं बैंक by indicating that this much amount of loan will act as a collateral. इन्हीं loans को collateral के form में बैंक इंडिकेट करके मार्केट से पैसे उठा सकता है बाय इशूइंग द बॉन्ड. व्हाट इज द एडवांटेज फॉर बॉन्ड होल्डर? बॉन्ड होल्डर एडवांटेज इज नाउ दे आर द पार्टनर ऑफ बैंक इन द इंटरेस्ट प्रॉफिट ऑफ दीज लोन. सो बैंक्स आर गोइंग टू रेज प्रॉफिट बाय कलेक्टिंग द EMI. इंटरेस्ट विल बी द प्रॉफिट, राइट? सो फ्रॉम दिस इंटरेस्ट बैंक नीड टू पे द इंटरेस्ट ऑफ बॉन्ड्स. सो बॉन्ड होल्डर आर गोइंग टू गेट interest with the support of these home loans which are created into the market. So conversion of such type of loans is a type of process called securitization. ये securitization का point है. Clear है मेरा point? Yes. Prashad Kumar ji, sir, I am from Andhra Pradesh in the East Godavari district preparing for CBO. Thank you Prashant, thank you. Is this point clear or not clear guys? समझ में आ रहा है अभी भी कि नहीं आ रहा है? पॉइंट क्लियर हो रहा है कि नहीं हो रहा है? और should I explain one more time? I can explain, there is not a problem. Yeah, see, that is why I said that the basic concept has to be clear. If you know that loans are the assets of bank, loans are what? Loans are the assets of bank. Banks are utilizing their assets as a collateral to issue new bonds into the market. Why banks are issuing bonds? Bond holder will buy it, bank will get money. So to raise more money from the bond market, banks are utilizing their existing assets. बैंक अपने assets का use कर रहा है as a collateral to raise the money from market. If we made FD, अगर हमारे पास एक FD है, if as a customer I have a FD, this FD is my asset. I can use FD to borrow loan. मैं FD का यूज कर सकता हूं मार्केट से लोन लेने के लिए. That is what bank is doing. Loans are a type of FD created by bank, which will create returns in 20 years, 30 years. So these loans banks are using as a collateral to raise more money from the market in the form of loan. ठीक है, बैंक ने जो लोन दिए हैं उन लोन्स का बैंक यूज कर रहा है for which purpose? For raising for borrowing more loan from the market. ठीक है, this is what the point. You may get confused loan and loan, but these are the loans which are given by bank, and now banks are borrowing loan from the market against the loans which are given by the banks. तो वो है process called securitization. Minimum amount will be 1 crore. 3 days to 10 days का duration होगा. In case of NPA, bond holders also need to bear the risk, and bank also need to bear the risk. Both need to ready to bear the risk. दोनों को risk bear करने के लिए ready रहना पड़ेगा. 3 days to 10 days का duration है. Actually, the regulator said all the securitized debt instruments should be issued and transferable only in the demat form. Means no offline transaction has to be done. All these instrument has to be issued in the demat form only. ये था आपका एक और important news from the category of RBI circular, SEBI circular, etc. Banking financial news पर आते हैं, थोड़ा और स्पीड पकड़ेंगे. Union Minister Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman ji recently inaugurated Corporate Bhavan, one more office of Ministry of Finance, at which place? So it is inaugurated in the New Town Kolkata. New Town Kolkata Corporate Bhavan have been inaugurated by the Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman ji. New facility will be the house of Ministry of Corporate Affairs, including the regional directorate, registrars of the companies, financial liquidators, NCLT Kolkata, National Company Law Tribunal Kolkata, under the Insolvency Bankruptcy Board of India at one place. So it is going to be a big office where all the liquidators, officers of Finance Ministry will be sitting in the eastern part of our country. भारत के eastern part में बैठेंगे. So it is located in Kolkata. This is called Corporate Bhavan office that is located in Kolkata. Event celebrated the launch of first ever Prime Minister Internship Facilitation Center on the 7th floor of the Corporate Bhavan. So, at the 7th floor of the Corporate Bhavan, Prime Minister Internship Scheme Facilitation Center have been also launched. Where it was inaugurated? It was inaugurated in the Corporate Bhavan that is inaugurated in Kolkata. Next one, Zaggle. Few days before we heard the name called Zaggle. Zaggle recently got the approval from NPCI to come up with the UPI facility, QR code facility. So very similar to Phone Pay, Google Pay, Amazon Pay. Very soon Zaggle is going to provide you the QR code facility, UPI payment facility in India. Zaggle, this is a fintech company, recently done the collaboration with travel and expense solution provider called Mash Payment to tap the global spending management market. So Zaggle have done the collaboration with a company called Mash Payment. What is the objective? Objective is provide one-stop solution for all the people, those who are traveling from India to the different nations. Now, what type of solutions required? Solutions required regarding payment. If a person is traveling 2-3 country, they need to carry the currency of 2-3 country. Such type of fintech companies provide them the cards which are accepted throughout the nations. Different nations they will be accepted. Such type of payment solution offered by the fintech companies. So one of the fintech company called Zaggle have done the collaboration with Mash Payment. What is the objective? Objective is global spend management market, tapping that. So US, Europe, Latin American using the Mash capabilities and the corporate card at the global market Zaggle will also offer the similar type of facility for the Indians. तो अब Indians को ये facility offer करने जा रहा है Zaggle, that one stop solution card very soon they are going to launch. The card will be acceptable across the nations. You can carry the same card for making the payment in the different nation. Again and again currency conversion is not required. Again and again you need not to pay the charges of the currency conversion. All these solutions will be available with the support of one card that will be launched by the Zaggle in collaboration with MASH. HDFC Bank recently launched Biz Plus. Biz Plus is a current account facility that is announced by Biz Plus is a current account facility that is announced by HDFC Bank because of increasing the Indian enterprises, small businesses. So comprehensive suite of the current account that is crafted to meet the diverse evolving financial requirement of micro, small, medium enterprises across the country. In the overall news, if you will read, you will find nothing apart from a new name called Biz Plus. आपको कुछ नहीं मिलने वाला है न्यूज में, सिर्फ एक नया वर्ड मिलेगा, that is called Biz Plus. So HDFC Bank was always there, MSME was always there, current account was always there. So HDFC Bank started offering current account facility to the more dedicated current account facility to the small medium enterprises in India. That current account facility is called Biz Plus. उसे नाम दिया गया Biz Plus. और कुछ भी नहीं है न्यूज में, nothing new. UN cut down the GDP prediction of India to 6.3%. Still, India is going to be the fastest growing economy in the world according to the United Nations. The reason? Downward projected because of the different type of international changes in the scenarios, collaboration, trade war. One of the reason recently the tension between India and Pakistan. So all these reasons, because of that, the GDP prediction of India came down to 6.3%, but still India is going to be the fastest growing economy in the world. World में fastest growing economy अभी भी India रहेगा. No need to learn the percentage as of now. When we will be close to the examination, at that time you need to cover what is the GDP prediction of India by the different organization. So whatever the updated prediction will be available at that time, that we need to cover for the examination. अभी जरूरत नहीं है, उस समय जो GDP prediction आपका available होगा ना करंट में, वो हम कवर करेंगे for the exam. Point clear? Yes. Next one. Dvara Solution, one of the fintech company, form a strategic partnership with the Kisan Dhan Agri Financial Services Private Limited, another NBFC. So Dvara Solution is a fintech company. This is a fintech company. This company have done the collaboration with Kisan Dhan, which is a NBFC, non-bank financial company. So it's a news of collaboration. Important for RRB, PRRB clerk. Why? It is offering the agriculture financial solution in India और एग्रीकल्चर रिलेटेड लैंडिंग फैसिलिटी इन इंडिया डिजिटली. भारत में किसानों को डिजिटल लोन प्रोवाइड करने की तरफ एक कदम है. सो a fintech company called Dvara Solution done the collaboration with Kisan Dhan, which is a NBFC and a subsidiary of Sohan Lal Community Management. Sohan Lal Community Management is one of the biggest company in India managing warehouses. ये warehouse management company है, which is also related to farmers again. So Sohan Lal Commodity Management, which is the largest warehouse management company in India, it is a owner of the Kisan Dhan. Kisan Dhan offer the lending facility, have done the collaboration with Dvara Solution. Dvara Solution will be providing the operational efficiency, will increase the customer experience, also offering the lending facility digitally online. ऑनलाइन लैंडिंग फैसिलिटी ऑफर करने के लिए किसानों को they will work together for the loan management, report platform services, co-lending module, etc. So overall the performance or operations of Kisan Dhan NBFC will be improved by Dvara Solution. So Dvara Solution have a platform called Predix platform. This Predix platform will offer all the operational solutions to the company called Kisan Dhan. Also, these two companies will work together for the co-lending of the farmer. So, it is a news related to collaboration between two organizations. One is Dvara, second one is Kisan Dhan. Dvara Kisan Dhan. Kisan Dhan, which is a subsidiary of Sohan Lal. Sohan Lal is the biggest warehouse companies in India. So Dwara collaborated with Kisan Dhan for offering the co-lending facility and to improve the operation of Kisan Dhan in India. Kisan Dhan has disbursed 3,263 crore, approximately 64 crore rupee loan to the farmer, impacting over the 7 lakh farmers. So what is the overall asset under management under Kisan Dhan? Approximately 3,300 crore के approximately loan इन्होंने market में provide कर रहा है. Is this news clear, guys? Yes, ये collaboration का news था, clear हो गया अच्छे से? Yes, आगे move करें. So I am trying just the important part you can pick and read and revise when you are revising with the support of PDF. PDF will be available in this Telegram group, G Genius by Aditya sir. You can search the group, or I have already given the QR code in the starting and ending to scan and join, not to pay. Pay करने का नहीं है वो QR code, scan and join QR code है. International Monetary Fund to release $1.3 billion to Bangladesh after announcement of $1 billion to Pakistan. Although there is an update in the Pakistan news as well, approximately 13 sanctions more imposed by International Monetary Fund before releasing the fund of $1 billion. वो न्यूज मैंने आज कवर नहीं किया है, कल रात में मैंने पढ़ लिया था. Tomorrow I'll cover that news again. So there is more update, or we can say that there are development in the news which we covered 2-3 days back, that IMF announced $1 billion for Pakistan. So एक update है उसमें, उसको हम कल cover करेंगे. Today back to the news. International Monetary Fund to release $1.3 billion to Bangladesh. Bangladesh in June, after completing the 4th review of its $4.7 billion loan program. The release of fund cover both 4th and 5th tranches, which were delayed due to IMF demand for the greater exchange rate flexibility. The key reform include adoption of the exchange rate according to the IMF. So exchange rate Bangladesh is going to adopt according to the IMF. Bangladesh IMF के according अपना exchange rate जो है उसको accept करेगा. $1.3 billion loan have been approved by IMF to the Bangladesh. Mostly, see, these are the international news. For us, it is not at all necessary to go very in depth into these news. For us, it is important like, okay, how much amount, which country, how much amount, which country, by which organization. That is more than enough. If the loan given for India, in that case, they will ask what are the project involved into that, where India is going to utilize these particular amount. Abhi ke liye important itna hai that International Monetary Fund have issued the loan amount of $1.3 billion to Bangladesh. Bangladesh के लिए announce किया है. In the month of May, IMF approved $1 billion to Pakistan as the part of extended fund facility. IMF headquarter located in Washington DC, USA. Washington DC, USA. Kristalina Georgieva is the Director General. There are 191 countries of IMF. The last country to join is Principality of Liechtenstein. This is the 191th नेशन. तो इसको अभी याद रखिएगा, ठीक है. चलिए आगे मूव करेंगे. अपॉइंटमेंट सब पर आ रहे हैं. So Syndicate Bank appointed Arun Srivastava as the managing director of MD and CEO of Syndicate Bank. Syndicate Bank is one of the public sector bank of India. Even after getting this position vacant from the last 9 months, SK Jain sir was retired, and after that this position was vacant. Arun Srivastava sir appointed as the managing director and CEO of Syndicate Bank. Syndicate Bank headquarter located in Manipal, Karnataka. Manipal, Karnataka. 1925 the bank was formed. Syndicate Bank. Gyaneshwar Kumar Singh have taken charge as the Director General and CEO of Indian Institute of Corporate Affairs. So Indian Institute of Corporate Affairs के new MD and CEO अपॉइंट हुए हैं. नेम है ज्ञानेश्वर कुमार सिंह सर. Indian Institute of Corporate Affairs is a type of organization, think tank, which work under Government of India for the betterment of corporates in India. So Gyaneshwar Kumar Singh have taken charge. Former CGI of India DY Chandrachud sir have taken charge as the professor of NLU Delhi, National Law University Delhi. So National Law University Delhi में distinguished professor के फॉर्म में इन्होंने अभी recently join किया है. Widely acknowledged and progressive judicial thinker, his association with the NLU Delhi will mark the transformative chapter in the university and academic research So the launch of new series of lecture titled In the Spirit of Justice, ये इन्होंने नाम दिया है अपने lecture series को. In the Spirit of Justice, this Dvara Chandrachud sir lecture series will be starting in the month of July. उनको नाम दिया गया In the Spirit of Justice. So Dvara Chandrachud sir was the CGI of India from 2020 till the year 2024. Can you tell me the name of Can you tell me the name of current CGI of India? Can you tell me the name of current CGI of India? One second, guys. One second. Uh, we should, yeah, we should leave this news, guys. One news we need to, yes, that is what I am talking about. That one news we need to skip. Actually, it was, I don't know why it was there in the current affairs. So, like it was there in the current affairs 3 days before. So, I think my content team have picked it also. Syndicate Bank appointed Arun Srivastava as the MD and CEO. So it was there in the current affairs just 3 days before by BSFI Network 16th of May 2025. But it's a mistake. It should not be there. There's nothing like appointment of the Syndicate Bank will be done separately. There's no such appointment will be done separately. ठीक है, कोई separate appointment ऐसा नहीं होता है कि अब already merger has been done in the year 2020 already. It is my mistake also that I didn't check this news. No, that 25 only they have updated it again. 16th of May 2025 they updated it again. So I think my content team picked it and sent me the news again. So sorry from my side. I'll check it one more time properly. मैं इसको वापस से अच्छे से एक बार और check करूँगा. उनकी भी गलती ये है कि उन्होंने रिसेंट न्यूज देखकर पिक कर लिया एंड व्हाट आई हैव डन इज आई हैव नॉट चेक्ड इट प्रॉपर्ली. यार सिंडिकेट बैंक है, इज ऑलरेडी द पार्ट ऑफ कैनरा बैंक, सो हाउ इट देयर विल बी सेपरेट अपॉइंटमेंट. ठीक है, यस. सो या, nothing, nobody replaced, nothing, it is a wrong news. So just dump that news. I'll also remove it from the PDF. Once I'll share the PDF with you, I'll also remove it from the PDF. So don't get confused. Do not get confused. ठीक है, point clear है? Just dump this news. And sorry from my side. I'll keep in mind from the next time to check it twice, thrice. चलो आगे move करें. So DY Chandrachud sir, news is clear. Yeah. So DY Chandrachud sir appointed as the NLU, National Law University CJ, the former CJ appointed as the professor. So he will start the series. He was the 50th CJI of India. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. See, Monday morning means there are lots of news. If there is some other day, we also able to read the news 4, 5, 6 times, and while updating we also able to read it multiple times. But Monday morning means we don't get so much time to read the news. हमको Monday morning उतना time नहीं मिल पाता है. बाकी दिन थोड़ा time ज़्यादा होता है to read the news because the number of news are less on other days. Next है Anurag Bhushan appointed as the next ambassador of India to the United Kingdom of Sweden. So it is Sweden actually. Directly it is Sweden. So it is called Kingdom of Sweden. Country is actually the normal we call it Sweden. Like India is called Republic of India. Out of India, India is called Republic of India. Similar to that, Sweden is called Kingdom of Sweden. So Anurag Bhushan sir, a senior Indian Foreign Services officer, appointed as the next ambassador of India to Sweden. Sweden के ambassador appoint हुए हैं इंडिया की तरफ से. Amit Shah inaugurated revamped multi-agency network billed 500 crore rupee to fight terrorism. It is a multi-agency network, will be a collaborative network shared between protected and network shared between Indian Intelligence Bureau, Research and Analysis Wing and the state police of all the states in India to fight against the terrorism together. ताकि राज्य और केंद्र सरकार की जो एजेंसीज हैं जैसे कि रॉ है, इंटेलिजेंस ब्यूरो है, they can work together to fight against the terrorism. For this purpose 500 crore rupee allocated by the government of India. It will be called MAC network. It is multi-agency network that will be created in India. ठीक है. Center allocate 2.8 million ton more Food Corporation of India rice for the ethanol. Everyone heard about ethanol blending with petrol. Ethanol is a type of product which is a petroleum product but not created from the crude oil. Crude oil से नहीं आया है. It is which we are developing with the support of sugarcane remains, or it is also created from the rice. Rice से भी बनाया जाता है ethanol. So what government of India have done? Government of India allocate 2.8 million ton of additional rice for the manufacturing of ethanol. It means now this rice will not be available in the market to buy and to feed. खाने के लिए अब ये rice, इतना particular rice available नहीं होगा. It will be going for the factories for the purpose of manufacturing of ethanol. Ethanol manufacturing के लिए पूरा राइस चला जाएगा फैक्ट्रीज में. 2.8 million ton will be going for the year 2024-25 ethanol supply year, and this bring the total rice which will be available for ethanol blended petrol 5.2 million ton. So total rice which will be available now 5.2 million ton. Government of India have target 20% of ethanol blending with petrol by the year 25-26. To achieve this target, government have done the allocation of more rice. However, the decision raised concern about the food security, especially ड्यूरिंग द टाइम ऑफ इन्फ्लेशन एंड न्यूट्रिशनल स्ट्रेस. सो ये इन्फ्लेशन बढ़ा सकता है. राइस प्राइसेस आर गोइंग टू बूस्ट अप बिकॉज big quantity of rice is utilized by the India now for the production of ethanol. हम ethanol production के लिए use कर रहे हैं. So total rice allocation is 5.2 million ton. Additional allocation हुआ है 2.8 million. Previously it was 2.4. So 2.4 2.4 plus 2.8 5.2 million ton total rice allocation हो गया है. Issue price for FCI rice distilleries 22.5 per kg. So FCI is going to sell the rice to the ethanol distilleries, to the ethanol manufacturer at 22.5 rupees per kg, while ethanol conversion rate is 470 rupees per liter or ton. So per liter per ton 470 rupees will be the price of ethanol conversion rate बनने के बाद जो है. So this is one more news. Next one, point clear है यहाँ तक का. Next news, Yala glacier declared dead. One more glacier died in the world. This is a glacier which is located very near to India and have the Indian name also. That is located in the Hindu Kush Himalayan. So it was located in the Himalayan range of the Hindu Kush Himalayan. Now officially declared dead. Name is Yala glacier. Name is Yala glacier. Yala glacier is the name. It was located in Himalaya. So on 12th of May 2025, scientists, local communities, monk gathered into in that area of the Nepal, and after that it was a type of tribute that was given to the Yala glacier, that it is not with us now. Yala glacier lost complete ice. It is completely dead, and this is the third glacier in the world. This is the third glacier in the world which is considered as the dead glacier now, after OK glacier of Iceland, after Oyoroko glacier of Mexico. So OK glacier and Oyoroko glacier of Mexico, these were the first and second one. Third one is Yala glacier. So Yala glacier of Nepal also died. तो ये point है आपके पास. बाकी reason is why CO2 carbon emission that is continuously increasing, and because of the global warming we are losing the glaciers. Samudrayaan, India's first manned deep ocean mission to be launched by 2026 end. So India's first Samudrayaan means that is a deep ocean mission that is planned by the government of India for the purpose of doing the research in the deep ocean areas. So समुद्र के नीचे जाकर आप क्या करेंगे भाई? रिसर्च करेंगे. So for that purpose, Samudrayaan mission is going to be the first mission. 6,000 meter depth using the manned submarine called Matsya. It came already in the examination previously. It is not a new name. So Matsya name was announced last year itself. So Matsya is going to be the name of the submarine which will be created. This is the submarine that will be created for the research purpose. So in 2026 and it will be started. National Institute of Ocean Technology is the national organization of Government of India which is working over this project, which is the nodal agency of this project. So National Institute of Ocean Technology will be leading the project called Samudrayaan. Director name is Balaji Ramakrishnan sir. He have announced that by the end of 2026 we are going to do it. 2026 के एंड तक हम इसको क्या करेंगे? इम्प्लीमेंट करेंगे समुद्रयान को. ठीक है. It is going to be a game changer thing that will work in the field of deep ocean research. Deep ocean research में help करेगा. Chandrayaan, after Samudrayaan, Chandrayaan 5. It will be a combined project by ISRO and JAXA, that is Japan Space Agency. So ISRO, the space agency of India, and Japan Space Agency, these two organizations collaborated together to launch the Chandrayaan 5 mission. Chandrayaan 5 mission launch किया इन दोनों ने साथ में मिलकर. Mission weight is approximately 6.5 ton and is planned to launch on Japanese S3 rocket in the year 2027-28. So two countries are working together for the Chandrayaan 5 mission. It will be, the combined mission will be called Lupix, and for this mission country India and China both are working together. Mission will be launched from Japan H3 rocket in the year 27-28 में इसको लॉन्च किया जाएगा. Cabinet approved Chandrayaan 5 mission in March 2025 following the success of Chandrayaan 3 mission and Chandrayaan 4 mission, which is already under plan by the India. Without the support of Japan, Chandrayaan 4 mission is already under plan, which is a sample mission returning back from the lunar to the soil of Earth for the mineral composition study. Department of Post releases the commemorative postal stamp celebrating 125 year of Kodaikanal Solar Observatory. So Kodaikanal, located in Tamil Nadu, solar observatory that was started in the year 1899. So to celebrate the journey of Kodaikanal Solar Observatory, recently the postal stamp launched by Indian Postal Department. So Department of Post issues the postal stamp of 125 year of legacy and the journey of Kodaikanal Solar Observatory that is located in Palani Hills of Tamil Nadu in Kodaikanal, that is called Kodaikanal Solar Observatory, 125 years old. Sri Hari became 86th Grandmaster of India. India के 86th Grandmaster बने. Sri Hari is from Chennai, Tamil Nadu, and recently he won the Dubai Open and got the first Grandmaster at 6 days Budapest Grandmaster round robin August 2023 and second in 23 Qatar. बाकी सब डेटा काम नहीं आता. They will ask you the name of the name of who became the 86th Grandmaster of India. Name will be L. Srihari. L.R. Srihari. L.R. Srihari. So the first Grandmaster of chess from India was Vishwanathan Anand. Achieved this title in the year 1988. Recent one, 86th one is L.R. Srihari. 85th was P. Shyam Nikhil from Tamil Nadu. Vaishali Ramesh Babu, 84th, Tamil Nadu. Vaishali was the third woman to won the title after Konoru Hampi and Harika Dronavalli. So most of the grandmasters are from Tamil Nadu. If you will check the list of 86th, 85th, 84th, these three are important to remember. All three are from Tamil Nadu. ये तीनों के तीनों तमिल नाडु से. ठीक है, पॉइंट क्लियर है. चलो ठीक है. नेक्स्ट है आपके पास मेहंदी हसन Mirza won ICC Men's Player of the Month April 2025. So ICC Men's Player of the Month, ICC Women's Player of the Month. ICC Men's Player of the Month Mehendi Hasan Mirza. Mehendi Hasan Mirza recently won against Zimbabwe in the performance against Zimbabwe. Mehendi Hasan Mirza is from Bangladesh. So Mehendi Hasan Mirza, Bangladesh, became ICC Men's Player of the Month April 2025. Shreyas Iyer was named as ICC Men's Player of the Month for March 25. And Scotland captain Catherine Brace, she was honored with the ICC Woman of the Player for April 2025, while ICC Men's Player of the Month March 2025 was Georgia Wall of Australia. So मैंने last 2 months का आपको डेटा दे दिया है, मार्च और अप्रैल का. ठीक है. I think already I am going out of the time, but news बचे हुए हैं. So what I'll do is remaining news I will add tomorrow in the session. कल add कर लेंगे. And extremely sorry from my side from one of the news which was kept mistakenly in your session. तो मैं आगे से और ध्यान रखूंगा to avoid any type of such type of errors in the session. So all the best for your examination, upcoming examination. I'll be meeting you back in the next session soon. Till that time, keep watching ID guys. Take care. Jai Hind.